Hello everyone, I'm Yunji. Today is Friday, June 26th. 6th. Let's take a look. At the crypto market today. First is Bitcoin. Bitcoin has currently dropped. Switched to weakening. Has Bitcoin has currently dropped below 60,000. 60,000 now. Trading at over 500 59,000. If it going if it goes if it if if it goes down to around 54,000, we could add some support positions. That should be no problem. If it drops further, where could it go? Possibly around the 30 30,000 level. 30,000 level. I think 30,000 is definitely the limit. Technical analysis. Bitcoin. I mentioned rebound here on the 4 hours chart before, but it fell back down. Shortly after dropping. It's currently holding support here, and then the rebound it's quite weak. So this position is hard to work. So the position is hard to work. It may be in the position of bottoming out. It estimate whether how to wait for the next no to act as support before it's suitable to get involved. We are currently bottoming out. So we'll continue to observe. On the weekly chart, the weekly chart. The weekly chart is definitely looking very poor, very poor, very poor. It plunged, plunged. It plunged. It plunged. It it plunged. It plunged during the week of June Fest. June Fest. Plunge. June Fest had a very June Fest had a very weak bounce, and it's now and it's now continuing downward. This indicates continued downward rhythm. This indicates a continued downward rhythm. Altcoins. Next, altcoins. Gold. Let's take a look at hype. Let's take a look at hype. It seems to have some support below. Yesterday I was thinking about going on this level, going on at this level. But today, that made have been stopped out. My personal view on going on the 1 hour time frames remains unchanged. Of course, you need to be a bit cautious because we are currently in the middle of this consolidation range. In the middle of this consolidation range. So be cautious. Next is gold. Gold. It seems to have held. It seems to have held the support at around 3,900 mentioned yesterday. But looking at it from yesterday's perspective, but looking at it from yesterday's perspective, it's likely to continue falling. Today there seems to be a dip of over 1%. I personally think we can still lay out some long positions. We can still lay out some long position. That concludes today's sharing.